Research Committee, esteemed faculty members, and dear fellow research scholars. It is my proud privilege to extend a warm and a respectful welcome to our esteemed external examiner for today's PhD Biology. We are honored by the gracious presence of Professor Dr. Rampal and Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar. Both are distinguished researchers and experts in the field of political science, widely recognized for scholarly excellence, insightful guidance, and commitment to the higher education. Their presence today adds great value to this important academic milestone. Today I am here for my PhD Biology defend for title Need of Uniform Civil Code for Gender Equality and Women's Rights, an empirical study of merit division, which will be presented under the able supervision of my guide supervisor, Professor Dr. Manmeet Kaur Ram. It is first proposed by Minu Manasi, who is the member of parliament, three-time member of parliament from Rajkot, Gujarat. He has introduced, he has put this UCC bill code in Constitution of, he proposed to include this UCC in Constitution of India in year 1947, but then was rejected. Later advocated same with the notable figures such as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Hansa Mehta, and Rajkumari Amrita Kaur. So the background, the concept of Uniform Civil Code is broader vision of establishing a legal framework for women's right in marriages, secularism, adopted from Irish Constitution for Indian governing states. Article 44 has constituted migrations from rural area to urban area. Then the global competition, 7 countries like France, Turkey already have uniform civil codes in their countries. Identity and equality debate, younger generation increasingly demand gender-neutral laws aligned with constitutional values. Now the constitutional provision, Article 44, non-justiciable in nature, reflects the constitution aspiration to include uniform civil code across the India. Now the location and nature of the Article 44 in nature. ये एक ऐसा है जिसको आप किसी पे एनफोर्स नहीं कर सकते। इसका अगर हम वॉयलेट करते हैं तो उसके लिए कोई सजा नहीं है या